Children?
No.
Okay. Who is the father of geometry? Euclid. You did not see the picture? Have you seen that day? Have you shown you?
No.
No. Pooja? I've shown to you?
No.
No. Prayag? Can you see the picture there? Yes. So, Euclid is considered as the father of geometry. Okay. Now, I will show these slides. Afterwards, I will start explaining. Okay. Father of geometry. Father of geometry is, who is the father of geometry?
Euclid.
Euclid. So, who is sitting here? Rename on your phone.
Euclid.
Euclid. Prayag. Okay. Aditi Ishwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Audio is muted. Can you see me? Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So Euclid is considered as the father of geometry.
Geometry.
Basic. Again, I did not start anything for you. Afterwards, what is a point? What is a point? I told you. So if you denote exact location in space. What is the meaning of point? An exact
Location of place.
An exact location. Definitions I will send you through WhatsApp. Amin KN, can you hear me? So an exact location in space is called what? A point. How will you define a point? An exact location in space. How will you define a point? An exact location in space is called what? A point. Okay. After that, next one is called line. Line means what? Many points determined together. Many points, can you see here? Many points close to each other in a straight path will form a line. Okay. So what is the first, Angelina? Can you tell me? Unmute your audio and tell me what is meant by a point. What you understood? Someone sound is coming here. Mute your audio, all of you, please. Disturbance is there. Angelina, now you unmute and tell me. And now you muted. Cross mark is coming means you are now unmuted. Okay, tell me. How will you define the point? Not
the exact.
Okay, very good. An exact location in space.
A place.
Exact location in space is called what?
A point.
Point. Okay. Next, many points close to each other in a straight path will form a line. Okay. Avantika Binoy, on your. Now you unmute. Mute. Angelina. Now Prayag, you did not mute your audio. Mute it. Still disturbance. All of you mute your audio, please. Some sound I can hear from somewhere. All of you mute your audio. Still some more sound is coming. Disturbance. Some more sound is coming. All of you muted. Who's now? I should check it there. Whose audio is on? I should check it again. Because some disturbance sound is coming. Okay, now correct. Now okay, can you hear?
Yes.
No disturbance now. So, first definition, who is called the father of geometry? I told you. What is your name? You rename it. Rename it in your camera, in your mobile phone. 3 dots will be there. There you press it. You will get your name with phone. There you change it. So, first definition, geometry. What is the meaning of geometry? Geo means earth. Metry means measurement, I told you. And second definition I told you about. an exact location in space.
Yes.
Understood? After that, some more. Prayag, did you mute your audio? Yes. Those who are answering, they can mute it. Next, after that, it is coming the line. Many points. Can you see the board? Can you see the board?
Yes.
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Nokia 22 is there. 2.2. Just go down. 3 dots will be there in your mobile. You write your name because attendance will not come there. Anandan is there. Anandan muted. Joel Justin.
Ma'am, we need to write this.
No need of writing. I will send through WhatsApp. You just listen. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Nokia 2.2. Nokia phone who is using? She has to rename it. Okay. Anandan muted your audio. Joel Justin muted. So next, many points placed close to each other in a straight path will form a line. If many points close to each other, it will form a line. Okay. Many points are there. Then what is it called? It is called a line. Can you see me now?
Yes.
Yes.
So many points close to each other. What is it called? It is called a
Line.
afterwards. Line segment. Line segment is only a part of a line. Line segment means what? It is only a part of a line segment. It is only a part of the line. After that, it starts ray. Ray means what? It is having ray means a part of a, no need of writing here, just you see. Afterwards I will send the notes to you. Okay. Royce M. Francis, Pavan P. Nair. Okay, now he renamed, I think. Royce M. Francis, oh, mute your audio.
Ma'am, I can hear you.
Now can you see me? Next, so definitions I told you children. First one is called basic of geometry. Next, line, point, line, line segment, and the definitions I told you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now you understood.
Yes.
Still students are coming. I should join, make them to join. Okay. Now, so definitions I told you, point, line, line segment, and a ray. Okay. After that, we have to start about the angles. Line is, what is the end point of a line? What is the end point of a line?
Ma'am?
Sienna? Who is there? Tell me.
Ma'am, can you explain once more the ray? I didn't
Ray
understand.
means it is having only one starting point, no end points. Okay?
Okay, one starting. Okay.
I5, I will tell you. Easy board. They can see me? They can see me?
Yes,
You can see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You can see the board?
Yes.
Okay.
Mama, I can't see the board.
I can't see the board. Mama, I can see the board.
Some
Ma'am,
of
I
them they
cannot
can
see
see
the
the board.
board.
Some of them they cannot see the board. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Can you see the board now?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes.
Now I can
Now
see.
you can see?
Now we can
Yes.
see.
Okay.
The
Those
board.
who are not understood,
Yes,
once
ma'am.
again you see. If you draw,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, then if it is one endpoint is there, one endpoint is there, then it is called a ray. A line with a one endpoint. What is it called? A
A line.
line,
A line
line
with
segment
a
and ray. Line,
ray.
line segment and ray.
Ray.
Okay.
Ma'am, you should write it.
No need of writing anything. Just you can see that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So you can see this is called what? A ray.
Ray.
That means only one initial
End.
point, but no end points. Okay? Only
Okay, ma'am.
one initial point, but no end points.
Fine.
Did you understand?
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So only one starting point, but no end points.
End
Can you see the board now?
Yes.
Okay, you can give any names here. A. You can see any names. A, B, C, D, any names you can give it. Okay. Now understood what is meant by ray?
Yes.
Yes. So line, line segment. Next one is called the ray.
Ray.
You can give any names. A and B. A and B. Okay. These are the things you should understand. Line, what is, two endpoints are there for a line. Two lines are there, two endpoints are there. Why you are showing two endpoints? Because no end for it. There is no end. Ray is having only one endpoint. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. These are the things you should. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So, first step, who is called father of geometry? I told you. Who is the father of geometry?
Euclid.
Euclid. What is the spelling? What is the spelling?
EUCLID.
Next definition I told you about the point. Point, you can give different names. Okay? A, B, C, D, etc. Different names. Which letter you will write? Small letter or capital letter?
Capital.
Capital letter. If you want to write any point, you have to use capital
Letter.
Okay. Next one is called. What is the next one called?
Line.
Line. Okay, very good. What is meant by line? Siana Jafar, can you tell me what is meant by line? Unmute your audio and tell me.
Ma'am, I cannot hear properly.
You cannot see me?
No.
Can you see me now?
No.
You cannot see. Your audio video is on.
Yes.
Others, Sri Raksha, can you see me? No. Advika,
Yes,
can you see me?
Yes.
Yes. So some other problem is there. Okay. Listen now. Can you tell me, Advika, what is, unmute your audio and tell me what is meant, what are the points I told you? First, what are the things you learned today? Tell me. What are the things I told? Okay, Sri
Ma'am, I
Shankar.
cannot hear you, ma'am.
Geo means earth. Metry means measurement.
Right.
That is the meaning of geometry. Next one is? What is the next one? Point. Third one is called line. Line segment.
Ray.
Line segment.
Ray.
Okay. Tomorrow we can start what? Angles. How to? What is meant by an angle and how to name the angles. Okay. So tomorrow, today's notes I will send through WhatsApp. You can copy it. How to copy you are knowing?
Yes.
With what you will write? Pencil or pen?
Pen.
And 4 lines. 4 lines you should draw 4 sides. Mark it your heading. What is a heading? Chapter name. What is the chapter name?
Geometry.
Shapes.
Geometry.
What is the name of the chapter? Shapes. Shapes. So you have to, first you have to write the name. Shapes. First chapter. Up you have to write. Understood?
Yes.
You cannot see the board properly.
No.
No, don't copy it now. Don't copy it. No need of copying. What is that name you wrote? Shapes. Yes.
Shapes. E-S.
What is the name? What is the heading name?
Shapes.
S-H-A-P-E-S. Okay? Shapes.
Shapes.
Hello, ma'am.
Shapes. Okay? In that first heading, what you will write? Point. First definition is you have to write it as point. Second one?
Line.
Definitions I will send you. Third one?
Line segment.
Line segment.
Ray.
Last one?
Ray.
One more is there. Father of geometry.
Geometry.
Father of geometry. No need of writing all this. Only just I told you what are the things you heard. Right. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we should buy the paper, right? That
You have to take plain paper. Okay. You have to take Hiba. You have to take white paper. Draw 4 lines. You can mark it. Okay.
Ma'am, unruled paper only.
Unruled sheet. Unruled sheet. If you are finding difficulty, you keep paper under that and you can write. What Aditi? Did you understand what I told you?
you should write it in the school paper.
School paper is there means you can write it in school paper. Otherwise, you take one new sheet and you can write it. I will send through today evening. I will send the notes. Okay. Very few definitions I told you. You can.
Ma'am, we want to write these. We want to write the notes in a plain paper.
Yes, I told you first itself. You have to write the notes in plain paper. Write today's date, your name. How many of you are not understood what I told you now? Understood? Those who understood, raise your hands. Those who understood, raise your hands. Very good. You are following me. No difficulty. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Students are there. I am not able to see many of them on the screen.
Can you see me?
Okay. You are finding difficulty now in maths?
No.
Okay, you have to study it very well. Study well and all the best. Today I will send the notes. Tomorrow we can start. What we will start? Angles.
Guys.
Okay, shall I wind up now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it, practice it. I'm going to end the meeting.